Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to a quote-unquote commentary video. What? Yes, I'm trying this out because Roblox has done good things the past week or two, and most definitely past few days. So let's get into it. This will be a long one. First thing is migrating from legacy chat, also known as legacy chat service, to text chat service. It's finally the time Roblox deprecates and removes legacy chat like they said they would for a hot minute. TextChatService has been released for over 2 years, and what's the default chat version for new experiences for over a year and a half now. So it's going to solve a lot of issues and problems that legacy chat has and has caused. This is my reasonings as to why I think legacy chat being removed is actually a good thing, a very good thing. Number one, legacy chat is old. It's old. It's just an old chat service. And TextChatService is, well, new. It's new. As new as 2 years old, but it's actively maintained by Roblox. Its APIs and functions are easy to use and understand, and it follows new safety and legal requirements, plus the new parental controls that Roblox is adding later this month or, well, year that they've said that they would. They've also added channel tabs and UI gradients recently, which channel tabs was the most requested feature by developers because it was in legacy chat, and it allows developers to create different channel tabs, whether it be different teams, functions, etc. UI gradients are also good because it allows developers to have gradients in names, usernames of people in the chat color gradients, and other things as well. And they've released new NPC chats and tutorials and stuff in the documentation as well, as you can see. Second thing, it fixes the issue with exploits, mostly chat bypass exploits, as I believe all chat exploits can only be used on legacy chat. They eventually get fixed, but they still are a thing. So migrating to TextChatService will kill this completely, as everything is handled by the server. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that there is no FE or chat exploit script that can bypass TextChatService, because most of the exploits that I've seen are on legacy chat. That's a good thing. That's a big win. Third one is that this migration eliminates Condo and NSFW experiences from bypassing the filter and saying inappropriate things and sending inappropriate messages. This is the best outcome, as most, if not all, of the Condo experiences use legacy chat, and it's very easy to remove the filter. It's so easy, it can be done in like 1 to 3 lines of code, which I'm obviously not going to show you, but the whole reason this is possible is because legacy chat uses the client server model, which means that the code is available on the server model in Studio, and it's good to learn how the client server model works, but of course, exploiters and bad actors can view these and create loopholes and functions and fork these, bypass or remove the filter, blah, 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 blah. TextChatService has an advantage though, as it does not show in the server model and can't be forked or removed. It filters messages, checks chat privacy settings, message rate limits, all that by default, and can't be manipulated from what I know so far. All right, so it's a big win for Roblox because, of course, it doesn't remove the experiences or the games, the Condo games, whatever, entirely, but it makes it so they have to use their own chat system, create a custom chat, or fork it, and it stops this from happening so easily. It'll make it harder for them because of the safety measures that they can't really get past with TextChatService. And yeah, that's the top 3 reasons. Here are some information about it though. The migration timeline states that on November 15, 2024, the CAN user direct chat async API will be live. So that's in a few days, depending on when this video comes out. On November 30th, 2024, so later this month, new experiences cannot be created with legacy chat. So by the end of this month, you can no longer create experiences with legacy chat. So new experiences that are created will no longer have that option. January 15th, 2025, forked legacy chat or custom chats must integrate with the CAN user direct chat async API. And finally, April 30th of 2025, everyone must migrate to TextChatService. This will also be in the new community standards so that creators can get banned if you're not using the appropriate API or TextChatService. And Roblox did say that they will only moderate creators if they intentionally try to bypass the chat system. Roblox will also be clarifying what is and isn't a chat on a post soon. And after the 30th of April, any experiences that use legacy chat, especially if they have an inactive developer, this is a good one, Roblox will attempt to migrate the experiences to TextChatService automatically. Now, there's some cons to this. If Roblox cannot migrate TextChatService, so if they can't change legacy chat to TextChatService, Roblox will attempt to disable the chat functionality altogether. So migrate as soon as you can to ensure that your experiences won't break with your custom functionalities or the migration in general. Roblox will also make announcements post on the developer forum about migrating and detailing more when the time comes. And as a last resort, Roblox will restrict access to experiences that have custom chat implementations that don't use either legacy chat, which I assume is forked versions of legacy chat, or TextChatService, and notify the developers to make changes or the experiences won't be accessible to players. So a little thing too is that privated and archived experiences are not going to be moderated and affected, so there are no requirements to update them. But basically what that means is, as a last resort, if Roblox cannot remove or disable the chat functionality or migrate, or there's custom chats and all of that doesn't follow the rules appropriately, Roblox might just close the game completely where nobody can play it and the developer is forced to use the new system, or else the game cannot be played. Of course, this is all public games. And just a little bit announcement and just a little update here. Roblox released a developer forum topic about integrating can user direct chat async and send direct chat requester from the text channel. There are two new functions, two new API calls to comply with the upcoming changes, as I mentioned a moment ago. I'll leave a link to the topic and everything that I mentioned in the video description below, but TLDR, here's what you need to know. Here's like the big whoop. If you're using default text channels of TextChatService, you don't need to do anything. So if you just change the chat version to TextChatService, or you're just using it as it is, you're not adding new text channels or doing anything like that, you don't need to do anything. But if you're using a legacy chat that isn't modified, so just legacy chat, then you have to migrate to TextChatService by April 30th, 2025. If you're using a forked version of legacy chat, you must integrate with the can user direct chat API and check that whisper, which is whispering players directly, so one-on-one with like the command, and direct chats are gated by that method, that API, by January 30th of 2025, or you can just migrate to TextChatService altogether. If you're using a custom chat that doesn't use legacy chat or TextChatService as a backend, so your own complete chat system that doesn't integrate with any Roblox built-in Roblox chat API chat system as a backend, you need to migrate to TextChatService by April 30th, 2025, unfortunately. And lastly about TextChatService and legacy chat migrating, all of that shenanigans. If you're using TextChatService, but you have a custom implementation of direct chatting outside of the default text channels, you must integrate with the text channel function of send direct chat requester API by January 30th of 2025. All right, that was a lot of things. Let's move on to the next topic right here. The next good thing that Roblox has done. Roblox has done a lot of good things. So Roblox is removing access to players under the age of 13 to play, search, or be recommended experiences that are not rated with the questionnaire. This means that any experiences that don't have a rating below the name, like all ages 9+, 13+, 17+, can't be played or searched by kids, which is a very good update and is long overdue. This comes with a slight negative thing though, as experiences that have the genre social and hangout, or in other words, social hangout experiences and freeform content experiences will also not be able to be played, searched, or recommended to players under 13. This is good and bad, as certain experiences are fine with this cough vibe games, but some others that don't deserve it are also in the crossfire, such as Please Donate, and experiences like Meep City and Public Bathroom Simulator, God forbid, aren't affected, as they're both rated and the genres are roleplay and avatar sim, or there's no automatic genre given at all, which means that they're still open to everyone on the platform, including children under the age of 13. Unfortunately. Hopefully this gets fixed soon though, but it's unfortunate. That's the negative side. And also, freeform content basically means that it's experiences that have quote-unquote UGC material that don't go through Roblox's moderation process. So what I mean by UGC material is not like UGC accessories, but user-generated content, freeform content, so like drawing games. Because what you draw in these user made. What you draw is user made, and Roblox doesn't moderate it. They can't moderate it, which makes it open to bad stuff, and it sucks. But that's another bad in a good update, unfortunately. Another good update though is Roblox removing the ability for players under the age of 13 to send and I believe read group wall messages, which is great, as I don't see a lot of people use it or read it unless it's those weirdos and the weird groups, you know. But yeah, this of course is another great safety feature. It's a giant plus, and it's definitely in the right direction. So good job, Roblox, on that. Kudos to you. And this is also, I assume, in preparation to the rebranding of groups to communities soon, which will be interesting for sure. Hopefully there's more moderation, safety features to that as well, because the big rebranding is going to be huge. But that's good that they're at least doing something. Another good thing is that, and this is the best one so far, Occlusion Culling. Occlusion Culling is a performance optimization feature that is in beta right now, and it's only available in Studio. But long story short, it makes it to where whatever your character is not seeing, so whatever you're not seeing, whatever is not in your POV gets loaded out and not rendered, which improves performance and FPS. This is a big feature that was announced in RDC. And a lot of developers are happy, and you should be happy too. Even though you're not a developer, this affects everybody, and it's for free, and you don't have to do anything as a player and as a developer. I think as a developer, it's just a simple toggle. Here's a video example from 𝒟𝑒𝓈𝒸𝓾, and follow him on X, on Twitter, on X. You can see the shadow of the truss slowly fading away, and the chair in the background vanishing, and it's no longer in his POV per se, and it's not rendering anymore. And it will be released on all platforms when the time comes, and will definitely help mobile players the most, because my god, is it very bad on mobile for big experiences. At this time, it only works on meshes and parts and doesn't include avatars, but they're gonna extend it in the future. And it also means that it can't render out avatars, terrains, lights, visual effects, and UIs on your screen, but meshes and parts are still a good step, because that's obviously used a lot. So limiting that for now is definitely gonna help a lot, and then adding more of that later on in the future, it's gonna help a ton more than what it has. All right, let's get into some juicy things. I'm gonna somewhat rapid fire, try to rapid fire. We're at the end here. We're at the end. So the first one is VR and gamepad emulation. This is for developers. Basically, developers can emulate console and VR behavior to create experiences for these devices, even if they don't have them. If they don't have console, PlayStation, Xbox, whatever, or a VR headset, they can emulate them and create experiences with them. VR emulation is still in beta. Avatar marketplace selling is also now available, so community-made outfits can now be sold in the marketplace. This means that players can now sell their avatars on the marketplace for anyone to purchase, like it is in Avatar catalog avatar creator. Well, you would need to be ID verified, 13 or older, and have a $10 or $20 premium subscription to sell them. And quick note, only the original creators of the items and clothing get a commission out of each purchase, not the person that put the outfit on sale. So if I put an outfit on sale and my outfit has things that belong to, let's say, I don't know, Sammy123, every single piece of my outfit is from Sammy123 and Roblox, but I put it on sale, I don't get the percentage if somebody were to buy it from me. Sammy123 and Roblox will get it. So don't be misled here. If you put an outfit on sale, you will not get a Roblox commission. Only the people that created the items get it. Okay, so the original creators. Roblox is also testing player feedback with rating, which means that a small percentage of users can now submit anonymized feedback to the experienced developers with selections of options such as friendly community and as well on my device with additional comments to help experienced developers understand why the user likes or dislikes the experience. Great feature to have, and it's in testing still, so guys, don't abuse it if you have it. Don't send in bad things, okay? We need this because it helps the developers, it helps everybody, okay? Especially with optimization and all these other things. So let's just keep it simple in that part at least. Let's not break that thing. Another good thing is Rate My Avatar, an experience that is known for its crazy stuff and has been placed under review. It has been placed under review. It's known for its crazy stuff. You probably have seen Rate My Avatar in numerous different videos. It's been placed under review, and its content deleted at this time. It's believed to be for its improper experience moderation, as it's not only rated for all ages, but people do weird things and have bypass decals, and I don't think there's moderators in the game too, so it's it's quite bad. But good job, Roblox. Good job for actually enforcing the rules of experiences that don't have proper safety measures will get taken down. Also, as a recording of this video, the Discord server invite link is also paused, so I don't think you can join the Discord server depending on when this video is uploaded. And yeah. And the last thing here, finally, Roblox's new starting place. Roblox is remastering the starting place, which will look more modernized, include better textures, building structures, and an updated welcome to your first experience image with create.roblox.com as the domain, as the link, instead of roblox.com/develop. It's finally getting changed after, I think it was almost 9 years of all of this. So, new starter place. Amazing. But that is it. That is all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I apologize it took me so long to record and probably edit, but I finally got a chance to. I've been busy with a lot of things, and yeah, I hope this video isn't weird. I hope you like this kind of video. Of course, I'm reading through a script, so if it sounds scripted, it is. There's a lot of information, so I have to write a script somewhere, but besides the point. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys next time. Peace.